Hey, Zach here with Phoenix Audio. Right now you are listening to an audio demo from our Condor microphone array in a medium-sized conference room. This Condor is actually hooked up to a mini PC via USB cable, which is also providing the Condor power. In addition to that, it's connected into a soundbar for reference audio so there's no echo. And currently, for the purposes of this demo, we're running it through Zoom video conferencing, which is recording my audio right now. So, what's special about the Condor? Let's start with this. Something that you're probably not noticing right now is any background noise. We run a special noise canceling algorithm on the Condor that gets rid of all those unwanted noises in a conference meeting. So right now, I can hear this AC vent. I can be confident that you cannot hear the AC vent on the other side. A couple more special things about the Condor are the different ways you can mount the Condor. You can mount the Condor on a wall, on a credenza. You can even put it on an AV video card, much like I have in this room. Another great point of interest with the Condor is the fact that you have the freedom to choose whichever speakers you want to use. Whether it's a sound bar, whether it's wall speakers or ceiling speakers, the choice is yours. So the Condor can really be that go-to audio solution for all your huddle rooms, all the way to medium-sized conference room. With an optimal 15-foot pickup range and all the way up to 30 feet, there's not much the Condor can't cover. Now, if you have any other questions about the Condor, please fill out the form below, and one of my account managers will get back to you to answer any questions you have, or maybe even send you a Condor demo unit so you can try it out in your environment. Thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.